Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we're going to be doing a little bit of sim drifting and kind of just hanging out. So I'm going to kind of talk about sim drifting and my setup and those types of things. So I have a Assetto Corsa. I'm running it on the PC. So this is a Logitech G920. It has the 3 pedals set on the bottom, so you have your clutch, brake, and gas, 6-speed shifter, and then a hydraulic e-brake, and then some chassis thing. I got this whole setup used off of Facebook for like $350, and it works pretty dang good. It didn't come with this seat, but the seat is a Summit Racing circle track seat. They're like $35. They're super cheap. It's plastic. It works really well. It's pretty comfortable. Good lumbar support for us heavier set guys. Alright, so let's do a lap. Alright, so not the worst lap, but not the best. It's completely offline. I forgot to mention that this is the Tando Buddies card pack, and I'm at Emerald Coast Raceway clutch kickers for most people, which is pretty cool because that's one of the benefits of sim drifting, is you can drift tracks that you want to drift. So, and being on PC, they have a lot of mod packs and stuff like that, so you can download car packs, track packs, all kinds of stuff, and actually drift or race all kinds of tracks around the world, you know. So I can download Grange and go down and it actually run that track on the simulator before I even go down there, so that way at least I'm familiar. It's not 100%, but it's pretty damn close, and I think that's pretty awesome. Now, do I think that sim drifting is beneficial, worth the money or the time? I 100% think that, and it seems to be that everybody else thinks this as well. I mean, you got pro guys running sims, better ones than mine, obviously. I think the muscle memory is huge. I'm just gonna drop that one. But so the muscle memory is huge. You know, e-braking when you should, left foot braking, clutch kicking, and it doesn't, like, after the initial purchase, it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to buy sets of tires. You know, you don't have to put fuel in it or anything like that. So, like, it's amazing, and I personally think it feels pretty realistic. There are some quirks about it that aren't very realistic, but at the same time, you can't make it perfect. You know what I mean? So. Dirt drop. So that lap was pretty good. Pretty happy with that one. Yeah, if you're serious about drifting and you don't have a sim, I think you're missing the mark for sure, and making a huge mistake. The only thing is I don't get a lot of time to come in here and sit down and actually be on this thing between going to events, keeping maintenance up on the car, and editing and filming and everything like that. It's hard. So and spend time with the family, the wife, all that good stuff. So but it is nice to come in here and hang out, throw down some laps, find some people to tandem with, and try to get some doors, which is awesome. But I really need to get on it more. But I think it'll really come into play in the off season, when I have more free time and less things to do and working on the car. So let's go do another lap real quick. Pretty good lap. Happy with that one. I don't know what else to talk about sim drifting, except for get one, hit me up, and let's do some tandems. Let's practice.